welcome to my channel from Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. I like to do different things, hauls, craftings, unboxings. Today I have a small Temu haul for you. Then I ordered this embossing folder. Oh, it's so pretty. Is that a scratch? Oh, looks like a scratch up here. I don't think it'll hurt the embossing, but isn't that so pretty? And then I ordered these sentiment stickers. They got a little wrinkled up in the shipping. Best, did this, you and me, good times, I must be dreaming, I've got sunshine on my mind, squeeze the day, do more of what makes you happy, nicely done, you make me smile. Just some different cute little sentiments and different fonts. So I did order 2 packs of those. Maxine Loves Crafts. I ordered these because she ordered these to help her with rolling her flowers. So I'm hoping that's what this will help me do. I tried it with tweezers, it didn't work. If anyone has a good video that they've seen, can you send me the video, the tutorial on how to roll the flowers, where you start. I don't know if you start on the outside, if you start on the inside. I have some dies, but I've tried and they just don't turn out right. Hopefully with these and a good video, it'll help. These are some beads, and I showed these to Carrie, and Carrie ordered from the same link, and she got different beads. So I don't know, but this is what I got in the green ones. Look at this gorgeous butterfly. See the green on there? This cute heart. These clear cherries. This little bear, so cute. Clear roses. These little mint green hearts. Yeah, I was very thrilled with these beads. And so those are the green ones. And then these are the yellow ones. So I got these pretty balls. Look at the bow. Oh, so cute. I just love these mixes, and I feel so bad because Carrie didn't get these. So if anybody else has gotten these, yellow butterflies, stars, I just thought it was so cute. So I wouldn't recommend it if, you know, if I had seen what Carrie got actually, because that really, I wouldn't have wanted those either. But that just goes to show you that all their mixes are not the same. All right, I ordered this tiny little paper crimper. So you just do it like this. Let's see if I can get a small strip in here. Now, I think it works well. Very cheap, but I didn't need anything big, just for, you know, a little embellishment or something. It comes with a little case. I ordered a couple of these little change purses. You've seen the ones that were pink. Well, these are like the holographic ones. These would be great for Happy Mail swaps. Not sure what these are called, but you can make like a charm with these. So I ordered gold and silver. For these beads, one is broken. Aren't those so cute? Those are great for like birthday celebration, something like that. Then I ordered this paper, World Travels, like looks like it's burnt. I thought it was so neat. London Bridge. Look how neat that is. Invitation to Lighthouse. I just thought it was super neat. Little cabin in the woods. I got these vintage advertisements, cars and retro notes, original stickers. Maybe not exactly what I thought they were. Vintage buttons, though, that is cute. That's cute. Those are cute. Oh, she's pretty. Well, that's not too bad, I don't reckon. Glamour Girl. Daydream. Garment buttons. Oh, those are pretty. The Legacy. Lady Washington buttons. Oh, that's pretty. Peacock feather. Pink pearl. Gritzner. And buttons. So cute. So those are cute. They're not too bad. I think they were fairly cheap. And I bought these cute little bags. Look how adorable these are. Cute girl. They're like, oh, you know, like a plastic. Oh, no, they're not. Yeah, they are. Very, very thin. But if you're doing some type of swap or something, these are cute to put like some paper or something in. And then I got these sentiment stamps. Deck the halls, fa la 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 la, Happy New Year, Merry and Bright, Merry Christmas, Peace, Joy, Love, Sparkle and Shine, and 'Tis the Season. And then they have the dies with them. No, it didn't come with them. I ordered them separate. But they go to these. Yeah. Then I ordered this little, I was just trying out some different things. I really want to try to maybe do some shorts with the journal with me, with ASMR. I really want to try it. So I'm just trying to collect some stuff. I enjoy them. So I just want to try it for the fun of it. So I'm just trying to order some different things for that. This is cute. And then this is Lace Fantasy. And so there's 30 pages in here of just different laces. White and black. Frames. I thought those were really neat. I got some alphabet beads. Just a mix of different colors. And some flower polymer clay bits. Supposed to be 1,000 in here, I think is what it said. I'll have to recheck that. Then I got a stencil for some inking. It's not too bad. It gives like a jagged edge on these lines, and then these lines are crisp. I got this die. This is just fun for some texture or net, or, you know, just anything you want to use this for. Layering. Oh, and then I've got these doilies. Oh, they are so pretty. Look how pretty these are. There's different ones in here. These are like the green. Oh, this one is probably like my favorite. They are so pretty. This is so pretty. Looks like you get 2 of each. Oh, this is very pretty too. Oh, I love them. And then once again, my friend Maxine Loves Crafts is definitely guilty of this, but this will definitely help. So these are tools to help with your rolled flowers. So I ordered this. I'm not sure what these are for, but happy to get these for some flowers, rolled flowers. No, not rolled flowers, but you know. Oh, so I got these to go with the rings that I got in the last haul. These are already charms. So pretty. I already used some of these polymer clay bits. So you get 1,000 in here. And these are pretty. They're nice. I like them. And look at these bananas. Aren't these so cute? Banana charms. Oh my goodness. You just, I don't know. I don't know, but I didn't have banana charms so in my stash. So I thought, why not have some banana charms, right? I just got some monkey stickers in that yard sale thing. So maybe it'll work out for something. And I just got these like little pearl beads. These are great when you do like your banners and stuff. Like if you do it, I like to do them on those food picks. And I like to cut the bottom of it off. Or if I don't cut it off, then they fit perfectly down in here. And then you have this at the bottom. And then this is a bag. I bought these when I was doing the giveaway. So let's just go ahead and throw that in here. If you want to be entered in the giveaway for a $10 gift card, go ahead and use the word pumpkin in a creative sentence, not just the word pumpkin, please. But anyway, so this bag is just like you can use it as a shopping bag, overnight bag, whatever. You can hear that it's. So here is your little coin pouch, and then I don't know if you'll be able to fold it back up yourself and put it in here. Maybe, I don't know. This is great for like beach or anything, and you could just take it home and throw it in the washer and hang it up to dry. I just thought it was so cute. This just reminds me of like hippie days. Yeah, instead of having 2 hauls, because this is very small, I'm just going to do this one. All right, so yeah, I got one of the new Temu bags. All right, I seen these on my friend Laura's Plans and Crafts. See how they're shipping this stuff so tightly. She showed this on her channel, and I thought this would be so fun for a Halloween swap or something. You can get these to lay out flat now that they did this. You could put your own pages in here, use this as like an embellishment book. I thought those were so cute. So I got 2 of those. And then I ordered these cute little Halloween stamps. Happy Halloween. Have some spooky fun. And so thankful. Here's a beautiful treat. Trick or treat. Some candy corn. An owl. She's so cute. A pumpkin bag. A ghost. I really wanted the sentiments. I did get the die cuts. Or the dies that go with this. And so she will be cute for something. So cute. And even the candy corn, like with some embossing powder or something. And I got this lit trim. How cute that is. Kind of smells a little bit funny, but I'll have to let it air out. But it's really pretty. This is real soft, like velvety right here. And then this is like lacy like. So pretty. I love it. And then I got this die. Merry Christmas. And then it's got the shadow behind it in 2 different fonts. And everybody's been hauling this cupcake, and I, like everybody, thought that this was... Carrie showed this on her channel, and I thought it was bigger too. But it's small, as you can see. But it's cute. It'll work. Ooh, then I got this orange trim. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Some of this, of course, you could tell black and orange for the Halloween projects. It's the same. This is real kind of wiry, like doesn't have like a stretch to it too much, so I like that. Oh, I didn't know you was going to have to put the thing on there. I hope that stays on there to go over my stamping pad. This was a score in my yard sale video for $5. Going to do some stamping for Halloween. Then I ordered these little flower beads. Aren't those so cute? So cute. You can run a little gold bowl up in the middle of those. Silver, whatever. The last thing I ordered in this haul is this wax seal. This has a ghost and some candies, and it's got balloons. Isn't that so cute? Right, so that is the end of my Temu haul. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you had any questions about anything, feel free to let me know. I will put all the links in the description, all the prices on the screen. Appreciate y'all so much for coming to watch this, and I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having a great time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.